In the following video, the process of making a 10% glycolic acid fluid gel with a gentle peeling effect is described. The formula has the following composition: glycolic acid solution at 70%, 14.28 grams, triethanolamine, 14.28 grams, and Jaguar HP, 1 gram, distilled water, enough to make 100 grams. Weigh the glycolic acid in a beaker. Add the triethanolamine and stir until completely dissolved. Place the distilled water in a beaker. Add the buffered glycolic acid solution. Add the Jaguar HP and stir until a fluid and transparent gel is achieved.